In this video, you'll learn how to change the date format in Google Forms so it appears exactly the way you want. Maybe you're seeing dates as month, day, year, but you'd rather have day, month, year, or the other way around. The trick is that Google Forms doesn't have a separate date format setting inside the form itself. Instead, it relies on the language and region settings of your Google account. Once you know where to change that, the date format in your forms will update automatically. Let's start with what's really happening behind the scenes. When you add a date question to a Google form, Google looks at the language of the form's interface. If your account is set to English for the United States, your dates will appear as month, day, year, or mm/dd/YYYY. If your language or region is set to English for the United Kingdom or most other regions, your forms will show dates as day, month, year, or dd/mm/YYYY. So instead of hunting for a date setting in the form editor, what you actually need to do is update your Google account's language or region. To do that, first open your Google account. The easiest way is to make sure you're signed in, then click on your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google page, such as Gmail or Google Drive, and choose the option that takes you to your Google account. This opens the main account settings page where you manage things like security, personal information, and preferences. Once you're in your Google account, look for the section where you can manage your personal info or general account preferences. Inside that area, there will be a language or language and region option. This is where Google decides how to display dates, times, and sometimes even number formats across its services, including Google Forms. Now, change your preferred language or region based on the date format you want. If you want your Google Forms to use month, day, year, choose English and the United States as your language or region. If you'd rather use day, month, year, switch to English for the United Kingdom or another region that uses that style. Take a moment to confirm your choice so it's saved correctly. After you've updated your language or region, go back to your Google form. If the form is already open in a tab, refresh the page. If not, reopen the form from Google Drive or the form's homepage. When the form reloads, Google will apply your new language settings and the date questions should now show the updated format. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page again or closing and reopening your browser. In some cases, it can take a moment for account-wide settings to fully sync, especially if you're signed in on multiple devices. Also, remember that this change affects your entire Google account experience, not just forms. You may notice different date formats in other Google services as well. To recap in a simple way, the date format in Google Forms is controlled by your Google account language and region. Update your preferred language or region, then refresh your form, and the dates will adjust accordingly. Once you know where that setting lives, changing the format is quick and straightforward.